Hello everyone. Today we'll be going through very important topic of IGCSE, which is probability, and this topic is disturbing students a lot. So we have chosen this topic so that you can have better understanding and you can perform better in your exams. This is included in all syllabuses like IGCSE, GCSE, Cambridge Edexcel, all syllabuses. So let us go through the question, and the question says a bag contains 20 balls. Each ball has either the number 5 on it or the number 6 on it. There are 12 balls with the number 5 and there are 8 balls with the number 6. Ben takes at random 2 balls from the bag. Complete the probability tree. So in this question they have provided probability tree, but most of the questions student has to draw the probability tree. So you should be able to draw probability tree, and this one they have given, this is first draw will be 12 out of 20 for 5, and remaining for 6 we will be drawing, which is this branch. So we can take it as 8 out of 20, because 8 out of 20, which is 1 minus this branch, will be giving us 1 minus 12 out of 20. This will give us this one, which is 8 out of 20. Hopefully you understood this. Then we can go ahead with the next branch, and they are saying, okay, so 1 is gone, so 1 is already gone. Now we are going for the second ball. First ball is taken out and the second ball is 5, so there are total of 19. Instead of 20 we have 19, and 12 ball. Instead of 12 ball, now we have 11 out of 19, so this will be 11 out of 19. Probability for second ball to be with the number 5. Now probability for the second ball to be number 6 will be, this will be 6 are same, which are 8 balls, but the total is one less, which is now 19. So we will be writing here 8 out of 19. This will be the probability. And for the second branch, this one, if 6 ball is taken out first, then this branch will be 5 will remain as it is, which is 12 balls out of total. Now it is 19 because one ball is already taken at the previous level. So the remaining will be 6 ball. If 6 ball is taken earlier, so this branch will be having probability of 7, because total was 8, so 1 is gone out, so 7 out of 19. This will be the, so we have completed the probability tree diagram with the probabilities written on the branches. And if we want, we can calculate the probability also, like for example, getting 5 will be, what will be the probability of getting 5? This will be 12 out of 20 into 11 out of 19. So what we have done, we have multiplied these two and got the probability for getting 5. Now we can get the probability of getting 5 and 6. So we will be getting the other branch, which we can take like this one. I will indicate with the different colors. So we can take this branch, and this branch will be what? This branch will be 12 by 20 and multiply by 8 by 19. This will the probability. Similarly, we can take this branch also, and this branch will be 8 by 20 into 12 over 19. This will be the probability. And for the 6 we can write 8 by 20. Hopefully you are understanding. 7 out of 19. So this will be the probability for this one. So we have completed the probability tree. These values which I have written, these values, or just for your understanding, this was not required. So this value, this value, this value, and this value I have written for your understanding. So probability tree is without these values. So now we can go ahead with the B part, and the B part says calculate the probability that the sum of the numbers on the two balls is greater than 10. Sum of the numbers is greater than 10. We can check that and give your answer in fraction form. So we require answer in fraction form. So how we will do this? This is like if I'll explain by this drawing. So what we can do is we can take this one. Okay, so we will take the complement. So 1 minus probability of getting 5 plus 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10. So we will be taking the probability of getting 10 and we will take complement. So complement means we will take 1 minus probability of getting 10. This is how we can reach to answer easily for this one. So now we will take 1 minus the probability. So 1 minus probability of getting 10 is what? Getting 10 means 5, and 5 will be this branch, and probability for this branch is 12 by 20 minus 11 by 19. This one I will write here, and this will be 12 by 20 multiplied by this will be 11 by 19, and we can calculate this, and by the help of calculator we can write it as 1 minus in brackets fraction. This will be 12 over 20. So I'll have to take 12 over, this will be 20, and multiplied by 11 over 19, and bracket close, and this will give us 62 by 95. So 62 by 95, this will be our answer. At the proper location we will write here 62 out of 95. This is what we have written. So if I quickly go through the question again, and it is saying that the bag contains 20 balls. Each ball has either the number 5 on it or the number 6. So these are the two options available. So there are 12 balls with the number 5 and 8 balls. So total balls are 12 plus 8, which is 20. Probability tree is given, which we have completed. And first of all we have done this one 11 by 19, and this is from here this is 11. Like for example this one is 12 by 20, so we are taking this as 8 by 20 remaining probability. And because 1 is gone out already at this level, 5 is gone out, so the remaining are 11 balls. So total were 12. So out of 12 now remaining are 11, and total is reducing to 19. So our probability will be 11 out of 19 at this level. And then second level, for this portion, for this one 6 is not gone out, so it means 6 are remaining same at 8 out of 19. And similarly we can complete this tree diagram. After completion of the tree diagram we are calculating the probability of the sum of numbers on the two balls is greater than 10. So to calculate greater than 10 we can calculate all these probabilities. Like for example 5 6 is greater than 10, 6 5 is greater than 10, and 6 6 is greater than 10. So we are having options to sum these three probabilities, which will be taking more time and which will be having more chances of doing mistakes, so we'll take complement, and the complement will be 1 minus this branch, and that will be easier for us, so we can take 1 minus this branch, which is adding up to 10. So that's what we have done in our B part, and 1 minus the probability, which is 5 and 5. This is 5 and 5 probability, which is adding up to 10, so equal to 10. So 1 minus probability of getting equal to 10 is this one. So 62 by 90 is the final answer, which we have copied. Hopefully you understood this. These type of tree diagram questions you should practice a lot, so that you can attempt the questions in past papers. You can subscribe the channel also, and recommend this channel to your friends and class fellows, and introduce this channel to your respected teachers. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.